Hello Excursionistas! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, magluluto tayo ng pancake. So please keep on watching! So these are the ingredients for our pancake. 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 can of evaporated milk, 410 ml, 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. So, ang ginamit ko ditong brand is yung Calumet. 1/2 cup of water, 3 tablespoons of oil. So, since wala akong available na butter, ang gagamitin kong alternative is ang oil. Since parehas naman silang nagbibigay moisture sa ating baked products. So, magsisimula na tayo! So, ang first step natin is i-mix natin ang lahat ng dry ingredients. Flour, sugar, at ang baking powder. So, paghaluin lang natin gamit ang wire whisk. So, ang next step is i-add natin ang mga liquid ingredients. So, paghaluin lang natin until it makes floppy. So this time, pwede na siyang lutuin over low heat. So gumamit nga ako ng 1/2 cup as a scooper para sa aking pancake mixture. So I'm done cooking the pancake. I've made 10 pieces of pancakes with the size of 5 inches each. So, meron akong star margarine. If meron kayong butter, much better. Meron din akong sugar. So, ayun na nga. Sana may natutunan ulit kayo sa aking bagong video. At kung meron man, please do give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!